It's draw time! Hi friends, welcome to Draw Time. Today we're gonna draw yummy fries, a tasty burger, and a sweet popsicle candy. So grab your snacks, sit back, and enjoy watching. Let's add the fries. 1, 2, 3. Wow, so many fries. Let's make them nice and golden, just like real fries. Let's draw a burger first. Let's make a big round bun on top, like a soft, fluffy bread. Now, let's add the lettuce peeking out. Wiggle, wiggle. That's our crunchy lettuce. Next, a tomato slice under the lettuce. Then a tasty cheese. After that, a burger patty. And finally, the bottom bun. It's time to draw yummy popsicle candy. And lines, 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 ha-ha. And ta-da! Whoa! The lines are ready. Now let's make them thicker and neat. Okay, friends, let's go over our lines and make them nice and thick. Wow! Look at that! It's already looking so good. The lines are getting bold and neat. Thicker lines make our drawing stand out. So cool! Whoa, that's so colourful. I really love it. Get ready, because next is colouring time, our favourite part. Colour yellow. What colour do you think fries are? Should we make them yellow, or maybe rainbow fries? Do you like fries too? I love fries, especially with ketchup. Maybe our fries need a best friend, like a burger or a drink. Let's colour faster before they get cold. Haha, just kidding. Maybe one of these fries is hiding. Where are you, little fry? Colour red. Let's colour the box too, with colour red. This is my favourite colour. How about you, my friend? What is your favourite colour? Maybe blue, pink, yellow, or what? Let's colour his eyes. These fries are looking super yummy already. Who's watching with you? Your friends or your family? Almost done. Wow, that's so cool. I love that fries. It's time for a burger. I'm so excited. Let's start with the top bun. Let's make it nice and golden brown, just like a real burger bun. Wow, it's looking soft and yummy already. I think this bun smells so good. Oh wait, that's just my colouring pen. Ha ha ha! Friends, what's your favourite thing to draw? Time for the bottom bun. Let's make it the same golden brown as the top one. That's what holds our burger together. Oh, I forgot the eyes here. Colour green. Now let's colour the lettuce. Let's use bright green. Crunch, crunch. Can you hear that? Our burger's getting some healthy greens. This lettuce looks super wiggly and fresh. Look, friends, our fries is dancing. He's so happy. Let's clean the lines. Next up, the tomato. Let's colour it bright red and juicy. Wow, it's shining like a big red smile.
Wow!
I love tomatoes. They make our burger extra colorful. Time for the cheese. Let's make it yellow and melty. Oh, so cheesy. Look, it's dripping down the sides. Yum! Who loves cheese? I do.
Wow!
Are you having fun watching this, friends? Color brown.
Wow!
Finally, let's color the burger patty. The best part. Let's use brown, nice and dark, like it's cooked perfectly. I think our burger's almost ready to eat. But nope, we're just coloring. Wow, we did it. Our burger looks super yummy and colorful. Great job watching, friends. Time for popsicle candy. Let's start with red on top. It looks like strawberry or maybe cherry flavor. Color orange. Okay, now we're adding orange. Wow, that's super bright.
Wow!
It looks like orange juice candy. Sweet and juicy.
Wow! Wow!
What color do you think I'll use next? Next color is yellow. It's shining like the sunshine. Maybe that's lemon or pineapple flavor. What do you think, friends? Do you like rainbow colors?
Wow!
Okay, now green. I think that's apple or maybe melon flavor. If it's apple flavor, I'd eat it in one big bite.
Wow!
Color blue.
Wow!
Now time for blue.
Wow! Wow!
Whoa, it looks so cool, like bubblegum or blueberry. It's like the ocean flavor. Splash.
Wow!
Do you like to draw with crayons or markers?
Wow! Wow!
I hope you enjoy our food drawing, my little friends. Wow, our popsicle candy looks like a rainbow candy. I love it. Color violet.
Wow!
And finally violet. The last color, but it's one of the best.
Wow!
Maybe that's grape or cotton candy flavor. So sweet. Wow, look at all the colors together. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. It's like a rainbow popsicle party. Do you love drawings too?
Wow!
Woohoo! We finished all our yummy drawings. Fries, burger, and popsicle candy. They look super cool and colorful. I hope you had so much fun watching, friends. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe for more fun on Draw Time. See you next time. Bye-bye.